everyone, LP here, and I want to take you on a journey, no, an adventure, into solving a problem that I have every single day. Now, I live up on the Virginia-Maryland border near the, on the eastern shore of Virginia, and firearms are a big no-no in the state of Maryland, which is pretty stupid, but it is what it is. And so what I have to do is I actually have to like pull over, unarm myself, separate my ammunition and my firearm from my body, place them in separate containers, and make it completely inaccessible just to like pass through the state. It's absolutely crazy. So what I've done is I've discovered a product I want to talk to you guys about. They're actually running a super duper deal. Yes, I did sign up to be an affiliate. I think I have to check. If I did, there's a link in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. You'll see what I'm talking about. So here it is, guys. This is a product called STOPBOX. I think you can read that, STOPBOX. Here's what it looks like right here. It comes packaged in this case. This is the STOPBOX Pro. I think this is going to be a major changer. You can get it in different designs. You can get it just flat black if you want to. This is the STOPBOX, and it actually has some pretty unique features. Also, a great instruction card, double-sided. We'll go over that briefly. That's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Now, with the card, obviously, you know, you can read the card. You could use the code on it to get your quick ideas, but it's actually pretty simple. The instructions are very easy to follow. I found them, even though I had a problem opening this box when I didn't read the instructions. So it's important that you take a look at it. Otherwise, you're going to have an issue. You know, you'll figure it out. With that said, it's actually a pretty simple device to use. The general idea is that you have to use your fingers to open the box. You have to use your thumb and whatever code you have on the little finger pads here. It does come default with these two right here and the thumb piece. I'll show you that to you that in a second. But the first thing you need to do is you need to put it down on a sturdy surface if you want to open it. All right. The reason is because you need the weight of the firearm in it to open it easily, but they also have these rubber pads, these grommet pads that actually grab the surface so it doesn't move around very much at all. And then you simply place your thumb on this button over here, push it there, and then, actually you do these two right here, and then the button, and then it opens right up. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit different design on the inside, all right? These are to change the lock. I'll go over these here in a second. And then you've got actually how to change the combination, your finger combinations. It's actually pretty simple, but the interior of the box itself has got the room for a full-sized handgun with accessories. The other key things inside of the box is there's actually space for you to put your own lock inside of here. I did have a medium-sized lock that I bought for this box, but it was too big in two ways. First, it didn't fit in the compartment. Second, the actual ring, so it's closed. The actual ring right here, whoop, there we go, the actual ring, it was too big to go inside this ring, so a standard lock will not fit this. You have to buy a smaller lock. Just buy a higher quality master lock and you probably won't have any problems. That way, not only does it, I'm still not used to opening this thing. Not only does it fit the hole, but it also fits inside the storage compartment if you want to do that. And then obviously you just need a firearm to put in it. This is a full-size Glock 17. I've already unloaded it, but I'm showing it just so my gun nuts don't go stupid. There you go. There you go. Looking all over this. All right. So it will fit in there even on the short side all the way like this. You could also do it like this. Hell, it's even big enough that you could do it like this if you wanted to. As long as you are not messing with the edges of the box itself, you're going to be fine. So you can literally just put your firearm inside there. You could put a magazine there. I'd put one in there right now, but mine are all loaded, so it doesn't matter. This is all for the YouTubes. And then you simply just close it, and there you go. And then if you want to open it, you simply do the finger thingies, pops right open. With the weight of the firearm in there and the compression on the foam, it makes it very easy. It almost opens itself. Once you do that, it becomes very easy to do. Go ahead and get rid of this. I want to talk to you a little bit about the lock itself. people have a tendency to go, oh no. See this right here? This is called the lock bar release button. Watch what happens. The whole thing just released. Don't worry, it won't close. It won't close. All you have to do is reset it the way you open it, the way you would normally open it. Oh, I'm sorry. You have to open it the way you would normally open it, and then depress that down, and then it'll stay like that. You need to, this is a YouTube problem. There we go. I can't get my hands all twisted up because of the YouTubes, or because of the camera. But basically then it locks in place, and then obviously it fixes itself. So you literally just do that. If it does undo like this, which actually is part of changing of your combination process, so it's not a big deal. It's designed to do this, guys. Which brings us to the actual keys. You can change these keys out for long and short throw. You can move them around so that you have different combinations. You can do up to 81 different combinations using the keys that are provided, and obviously the ones that are still there. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this real quick so I can put it back. I'm just leaving it on the default setting. One of the things that I was really interested on this, but I did not know, they did not send me a cable, is there's actually a slot for a cable right here. If we close this up, you can see where there's a cable that goes inside there. I'll throw a graphic somewhere on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But the cable itself gives you the ability to actually lock it to another surface. Very simply, almost like the old school laptop cables. They're $20 a piece. They're on the website. If you hit the website, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Look under accessories. You should not have any problems. And then lastly, I want to address some of the concerns that I had when they sent me this product. Some questions that I asked of them was, one, is this TSA compliant? Yes, it is. It is 100% TSA compliant. They travel with them all the time. They have testimonials on their website. They've never had a problem with this. It's locked. It's contained. It has multiple combination, and it's pretty durable stuff, which we're going to talk about here in a second. But the reality is if it's in a checked bag, you're good to go. It is TSA compliant. The next thing is why plastic? Most people go for metal gun safes. That's great. I prefer a metal gun safe myself. But I also like the idea of having something with very quick access to my firearm that I don't have to play around and nobody else can get into. I also bought this, or I didn't buy it. They sent it to me, truth be known. Affiliate link in the description. There you go, shameless promotion. But the reality is that, like I told you in the beginning, I travel a lot, and I can just put my firearm in this, slip it under my seat, lock it off using the cable to the frame of the seat in the car, and this thing isn't going anywhere. You know, it's made of an impact resistant plastic, glass reinforced polycarbonate, that's how you say it, ABS, and it's steel reinforced. This thing is extremely durable. This is not some China junk, okay guys? It's impact, heat, scratch, dent, and pry resistant, and has what they call a high tensile strength. But it's meant to be lightweight, it's meant to be portable, and its intended use is for a gun that's not in a holster or in a safe environment that you want to have quick access to. And once again, there's no weight to the firearm, this thing, so I can't, oh, there you go. But it's also designed to conceal and prevent unintended access. Guys, I really like the product. I've been playing with it for about a week now. It's really easy to get my firearm in and out of it. And I feel very confident when I leave it inside my vehicle. It meets all the requirements of any other state to be locked up. It's in its own container. It's inside of a locked vehicle. It's pretty simple stuff. It really is. So if you guys are interested, there will be a link in the description. I recommend you guys go check that out. As usual, be adults, spend your money as you see fit. So you can clearly see where this is a very functional device. It's very useful. You can not only use it in your vehicle, you can use it at home. It can give you quick access to your firearm. It's a very versatile tool. So, like I said, I'll leave a link someplace for it. If you guys like it, pick it up. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, they got a buy one, get one free. Hit that thumbs up on the way out the door. And as usual, stay safe. Have a great day, and I shall see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, LP, nope. Hey everyone, LP here, and I want to talk to you, nope. Hey everyone, LP here, and nope. This is so silly. Hey everyone, LP here, and I want to talk to you about something that happens every single day. Nope.